Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your workspace and tools so the job moves smoothly. Lay a microfiber mat, get a small Phillips and a plastic pry tool. Once done, remove any detachable cables and power sources to avoid strain on wiring. Use the pry tool at the ear cup seam, work slowly to avoid cracking the plastic, and expose the 4 internal screws. Keep screws organized. This prevents reassembly errors and helps you track which parts return to which side. You now remove the headband cover by taking out the 4 internal screws you exposed. Use a tray so washers and small parts don't get lost. After screws are out, slide the foam cushion off the central rail. This reveals the plastic shell and metal slider. Next, unclip the shell halves by releasing the plastic tabs while supporting the metal slider. Do this slowly so clips don't snap. Keeping track of orientation makes reassembly intuitive and preserves. You finish by fitting the replacement headband onto the metal rail, aligning any grooves so the sliders move smoothly. This ensures fit and prevents binding. Once aligned, snap the shell halves back together, replace the foam cushion, and reinstall the 4 screws snugly but not over-tightened. After reassembly, test the headset on your head, try full slider range, and verify audio and mic functions. If you hear rubbing or see misalignment, reopen and realign the rail. That usually fixes fit or noise issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.